Are you an owner looking to sell your home? Listing Spark has the answers. No realtor required. Learn how to save thousands. Here are just a few tips in selling your home. Sell your home using a professional photographer. Price your home well. Remember, if you get the price right, it will sell no matter what your home looks like or where it is located. Marketing of your property. Make a high-quality yard sign, best option for advertising your property. Alternatively, design high-quality flyers to get the word out about your home being for sale. Use the internet and set up a simple website. 51% of buyers find their next home browsing the net. List your property on the MLS for a small-time fee. Get more eyes on your property listing. Ensure you write a compelling copy for your MLS listing. Building a relationship with realtors can help you also. Hold open houses, a great way of exposure. Easier for potential buyers without the need for a real estate agent. Ensure your property is clean and take into consideration the lowest price you will take for your home. Don't require a realtor or have the time or desire to go at it completely alone? ListingSpark.com can help you. Only pay a daily low fee to list your home. Find out more. Visit www.listingspark.com today.